Everybody, welcome to another edition of Rewind, Relive, and Review. We are doing another Sizzle or Fizzle. I'm Rick.
And this is your boy, Cass.
We are here today with some classic rock.
Yeah.
We are talking about the one, the only, Carlos Santana. This is actually the whole band, Santana. That's how far we're going back. And Cass, what's the name of this groove?
We talking Black Magic Woman. Yeah. That's not the melody, but that's what it's called.
And we already bobbing our heads, so you know we're in for a treat. So without further ado, we're going to get it started for y'all.
Yes,
Santana
do it.
with Black Magic Woman.
5 minutes, 21 seconds.
Now, I didn't know what to think about this beginning at first, the first time I heard it. But that guitar kicked in.
The electric keyboard, electric piano.
Hey, props to whoever's on percussion back there, too. I love that.
I think it's a Fender Rhodes electric piano.
Got a black magic woman. Got a black magic woman. I've got a black magic woman. Got me so blind I can't see. That she's a black magic woman. She's trying to make a devil out of me. Don't turn your back on me, baby. Don't turn your back on me, baby. Yes, don't turn your back on me, baby. Stop messing around with your tricks. Don't turn your back on me, baby. You just might pick up my magic sticks.
Don't like that kind. I know you and guitars really don't care for that too much, so I don't know what to tell you there, buddy.
Yeah, I know. Man, he telling her how it is, though. I like the lyrics of this.
This song actually was initially released by Fleetwood Mac.
Really?
1968.
Wow.
In 1969.
I did not know that.
Yes. And what else I didn't know about Santana is I knew of Santana, but didn't know about Santana. Did you know that he goes all the way back to 1966? This band was formed.
Wow. I knew it was back there. If you would have asked me, I would have said 70s, mid 70s, maybe the early 70s, but I wouldn't have guessed 66 anything.
I told you know everything. Okay, just
See?
Tag it.
I didn't know.
He's got approximately 26 studio albums since 1966. His most recent album was in 2021, Blessings and Miracles.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, you knew that too, huh?
No, I'm saying because, I'm impressed. I did not know that. I know that he's been around for a good minute. Here's something I did know about the group Santana. One of the guitar players in the group was a Neil Sean, who, after leaving the group, spearheaded his own band, one that we know today as Journey.
I saw that, but I didn't write it down because when I started going through everything and all my little checks and balances and researches, he's currently got about 9 members in the band.
Mhm.
but he's had over 50 members since 66. He's the only original member.
Well, when your name is on the band, you can do that.
Not what I heard. You know, this show is now called the Cash Show.
It's the Cash Show because you got all the information, buddy.
Until you hit the play button, and then
yeah, as of editing tonight. But yeah,
man, this was, they actually released the song again in 2006.
Well, you had asked me earlier about which version I was going to play, and let me tell you the reason why I picked this. I was fascinated with this. This was loaded onto YouTube from Santana's own YouTube channel in October of 2020. So that was the first time he put this song on YouTube on his own channel here. And in that time, because, you know, it's Carlos Santana, he's got 2.3 million subscribers. You know, Sizzle gang, help us out. Let's get to that number. And what's more impressive, how many views he has? 7,844,448 views as of October of 2020. So it hasn't even been 2 years yet. And he's getting close to 8 million views.
We didn't reach that number yet?
No, so this is the time where I tell you all at Sizzle Gang, hook a brother up, hit that like button so more people can get this video, like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell for notifications. That way you always know when we drop something.
Please share it, please share it, please share it.
Yes. Now, that being said, since we are small and Carlos is tall, we're going to get back to Santana with Black Magic Woman.
Sweet.
Man, I forgot about the drums in here.
Hear them bongos?
Yes, you got your spell on me, baby, turning my heart into stone. I need you so bad, magic woman, I can't.
And I forget the name of the percussion.
You're right. The bongos, the drums, period.
And there were bongos, congos, and I can't think of I think it's a scratch block. I forget the name of it.
Is that what that's called? Because that's what it sounds like. I didn't know what it's called.
I forget the name of it, but yeah. And then at the end, before you stop it, that little hi-hat.
Yeah.
This song, I don't know, gang, but it doesn't seem like Rick and I are going to make it to the decision point. Can y'all tell?
If you followed this show long enough, you already know. You already know. Yeah. Yeah.
It is smooth. This is another one of the. Just go ahead and finish. I'll save it for you.
All right. Yeah. Let's go on ahead and finish out Santana with Black Magic Woman.
what that is on the guitar. Bravo, bravo.
Yeah,
Such a touching song.
very. I ain't gonna keep y'all waiting. Sizzle. Sizzle, sizzle, sizzle. Yeah.
What can you say?
I mean, the whole damn band is doing it.
Listen, if you don't appreciate,
Preach, brother,
come
preach.
come on, if you don't appreciate this song, okay, I forgive you, first of all. Secondly, I don't know. The Sizzle, man. Sizzle, 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 straight up sizzle. Drums, bongos, boards, guitars, bass, bongos, congos.
Man, this whole channel, this show on this channel is about the appreciation of good artistry. And this show in particular, good music. Doesn't matter which genre, doesn't matter how old it is. If it makes you move, if it inspires you up here, in here, wherever.
Released in 1970. Can you see my writing there? I don't know if you can see it. There it is. 1970, 5 minutes, 21 seconds. Right on with the right on.
Yes. Damn good song. Damn.
Ooh, sizzle me, baby. Don't need it. Don't need it. Don't need it. I don't need it. I need Crown Royal right now.
Now, usually I ask Sizzle Gang, how they like the song and let us know what other Santana songs we can get on in the future. But I'm gonna take that up a notch right now. In addition to those questions, I want to hear from the 5 people out there that don't like the song, and then it can't be more than 5 of y'all. It really can't. I need to know why, because
okay, wait, because I got glasses on and I still can't see y'all. That's just I don't even want to see any of those 5. I respect your decision.
Yeah,
I don't see it. I don't see it. This music, real music, period.
now like you said, y'all, real music. There's no drum machine back in 1969. There wasn't. You had to get in the studio and do it. And God forbid you mess up, because they actually spliced the masters. They didn't press a button.
Yeah.
They actually spliced the masters. So
yeah, those of y'all didn't know that there was actually, when they called it a cutting room floor,
it literally was. Like, share, subscribe, and make sure you hit the bell for notifications. We love each and every one of you. You've been fun. Let's keep making it fun. Give us those requests. As I always say, stay positive, stay blessed.
And everybody, no matter what's going on in your life, keep it moving.
Later.
If you like this video, watch another one right here. And if you haven't already, subscribe. Just click right here. I got lots of cool content, movies, music, and television. Explore everything. Leave me a comment, let me know what you think.